Okay, our snapper is just about done. Looking good. I'll remove that from the pan. I'll take the pan off the fire for right now. You see the bottom of the pan? It's nicely brown. What I'm going to do now is add tomato paste. Tomato paste adds color, flavor, and texture to this. So add that in. That'll help. Right here. Okay. We're going to cook this in. Let me turn this fire down a bit. There we go. Back to the fire. I'm going to cook the tomato paste in. It's pretty much going to cook and stick to the bottom of the pan. When it's a bright orange color, then we'll be ready to move on to our next step. You can see how the tomato paste is just about burnt on the bottom. That's exactly where we want to be. What I'm going to do is add some water to this pan. It's going to release everything from the bottom of the pan. That's all the flavor. Now you can use shrimp base for your sodium in here, shrimp base, lobster base, whatever you like. I tend to stay away from the bases and go for more natural flavors, so that's why we have the water to deglaze. Okay, as the water gets in there, the pan heats up. You can see how everything's releasing from the bottom of the pan. We're going to bring this back to a boil. Once it comes back to a boil, we're going to add a little more water. We're going to add the seafood back in for about 3 minutes, then remove the seafood and finish the Newburg sauce. Reason we add the seafood back, just to give the stock, the base of the sauce, a little more flavor. So we'll bring this to a boil. We'll add the seafood, add a little more water, bring it back to a quick boil. As soon as it comes to a boil, we're removing the seafood. We don't want to overcook it. As you can see now, the bottom of the pan is clear. Everything that we burnt on there is now removed, and that's part of our stock, which is all flavor. Good stuff. So we'll bring this back up to a boil. Very good color. You can tell what the tomato paste did. Gives the sauce just such a rich color. Rich color, good flavor. It's very good.